viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Today, I'm going to be reading a book called National Geographic Readers Penguins. Let's begin. What are they? What birds cannot fly? What birds spend most of their time? What birds spend most of their lives in the ocean but are not fish? What birds live in the coldest part of the world all year long? They swim, they march, they slide through the snow. They are penguins. Those are emperor penguins. What are they? All penguins live between the equator and the South Pole. Some live where it's very cold. Some live in warmer places like the coast of Africa, like the coasts of Africa and Australia. Penguins live on islands on coasts. Even icebergs in the sea. They just need to be near water because they spend most of their lives in the water. Not just any bird. Penguins are perfect for their lives at sea. They have a sleek shape for speed. A layer of blubber keeps them warm. Emperor penguin. Well, the title is Not Just Any Bird. That is an emperor penguin. It has big webbed feet for better steering. Layers of soft feathers trap heat. Stiff, only oily feathers on top keep out water. Penguins are perfect for their stiff flippers act like boat paddles to push and steer. Big eyes to see underwater. Okay, here's a joke. What did the penguin do when he got upset? He flippered out, I think how it's said. I mean, it's on the top right corner. I can't really see it well. I hope you can. All right. Bird words. Wept. Connected by skin. So it's like you get your hands, there's skin that connects those hands. It's like, so instead of doing this, you could just do this. And you can't even do this. I mean, your skin's already connected to it, so yeah. Their black backs make them hard to see from above. Their light bellies make them hard to see from below. But it's strong, solid flippers that help them escape predators and to get where they want. Oh, those Gentoo penguins look like they are flying fish. As you can see, they're flying like dolphins or fish. Penguins can swim about 15 miles an hour. When they want to go faster, they leap out of the water. And this one, that's called porpoising. Porpoising. It says porpoising. Yeah, porpoising. Porpoising. Because it's what porpoises do. Tortoise. A predator is an animal that eats other animals. Okay, here's a question and answer. Did the penguin leap out of the water by accident? No, he did it on porpoising. Oh, on purposing. It's weird. Purposing. Okay. What's for dinner? Life in the ocean is fishless. Penguins can eat a lot of fish. They have a hooked bill or beak to help them grab their dinner. Barbs on their tongues and in their throats help them to hold onto slippery food. Would you like to drink a salty water to go with that fish? Penguins are able to clean the salt out of the ocean water. They get fresh water to drink, and the salt dribbles back into the ocean. I wish I was a penguin. I wish my mouth was basically a penguin's mouth, not like the barb or the beak thing. That they can just filter salt water, because then it can just go to a nearby beach and then just drink all the water. Bird words. Barb. Something sharp and pointy like a hook. Okay, question and answer. What's a penguin's favorite food? a iceberger. Don't you get it? Burger, and people eat burgers, but and they're by ice, so it's ice burgers. Don't you get it? While penguins are slurping down their dinners, they have to be careful not to end up as dinner themselves. Penguins are the favorite food of marine mammals such as leopard seals and killer whales. Penguins are also in danger on land, like birds in the skua, the Australian seagull, and the giant petrel eat penguins. Even cats, snakes, and foxes and rats eat penguins. How can a rat eat a penguin? I mean, sure, maybe something has sharp, maybe rats can have sharp teeth, so we could just like tear it apart or something. Wait, I forgot. Okay, there's again 2 penguins and a skua. Life on land, king penguins. Colony, a group of animals who live together. On land, most penguins live in a large colony with thousands or even millions of other penguins. If it's so cold, they huddle up together so it's warm on the inside of the penguin. So it's warm inside a huddle that penguins take turns moving to the outside to cool off. King penguin huddle. Penguins march together on to get to their nesting grounds. Yeah, I can tell there's lots of penguins. Look at that. They just keep going and going. There's so much. If I was on a helicopter or I was seeing this from a drone, I would just be once they wave, strut, shake, call, nod, dance, and sing to find a mate. Most penguins stay with their mate for many years. A chick is born. Most penguins lay 2 eggs at a time, but most often 1 egg survives. The mother and father take turns keeping the egg warm. When it hatches, the parents keep the chick warm and fed. Adelie chicks. After a couple of weeks, hundreds or even thousands of chicks wait together while the parents go back to sea to find food. As the chicks wait, they are in constant danger from sukas, eagles, and other animals. Question and answer. How was the penguins' walk to their nesting grounds? Excellent. Okay, there's a king chick. Looks nice. It looks like it has its own coat or scarf. Like its own hat is connected to its own scarf. You could see it. Finally, the parents return with the food. And a huge crowd of baby birds. How do they do it? The birds sing special songs. The parents find them. In a few months, the whole family returns to the sea. The longest march for emperor penguins getting to their nesting grounds is a hard work. Their home in Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Emperor penguins nest much farther from the ocean. I don't know why I'm saying it in that weird accent, but I'm going to keep doing it. They must march for days and nights through the snow and wind. After laying the eggs through the snow and wind, after laying her egg, the female gives it to the male. He will keep it warm like a flap under his belly. Unlike other penguins, the male emperor cares for the egg by himself while the female goes back to the ocean to find food. Question and answer. Who's the emperor penguin's favorite relative? Ant, like aunt, like Antarctica, like, you know, get it? Aunt or auntie, you know, Aunt Antarctica. Like the name like it's your auntie, but her name is Antarctica. Wait, Antarctica? Yeah, her name is Antarctica. So it's basically Aunt Antarctica or Antarctica. The mother's gone for more than 4 months. The father huddles with what? 4 months just to get food? Can somebody read this book for me? Never mind. Okay, I'm back. The father huddles with the other male penguins to keep himself and his eggs safe and warm. During this time, the father eats nothing but snow. The father eats nothing but snow. All you're gonna get is brain freeze and water. That's all you're gonna get. I mean, you're drinking water, but I don't know if it's fresh. I mean, you've been walking on it all day. I mean, stepping on it, whatever. When the mother returns in July, the father quickly goes to the ocean to find food. By December, the whole family is ready to go. Emperor penguins. Penguin parade. There are 17 species of kinds of penguins. The smallest, fairy penguins, sing more songs than any other penguins. Height 16 inches. Galapagos, height 18 to 21 inches. Snares, height 21 to 25 inches. Rockhopper, 21 to 25 inches. Yellow-eyed, 23 to 30 inches. Foreland, height 24 inches. Acid crested, height 24 to 26 inches. African, height 24 to 28. Macallan, 24 to 28 inches. These penguins are the loudest and they sound like donkeys. Oh, those are the African ones. Royal, 24 to 28 inches. Macaroni, 21 to 22, 6. Adelie, 22 to 26 inches. Humboldt, 22 to 26 inches. Chinstrap, 27 inches. Gentoo, 27 to 30 inches. These penguins are the fastest swimmers. King, 37 inches. These penguins don't make a nest, they carry their eggs wherever they go. Largest, Emperor, height 44 inches. Penguin play, hopping. Rockhoppers can hop 5 feet. Rockhopper penguin. Life isn't always easy for penguins, but at least they look like they're having fun. Macaroni penguin. Singing. Adults sing to their mates, and chicks sing for their parents. Macaroni penguin. Sledding. Penguins speed down icy hills on their feet and bellies to go somewhere fast. King penguin. Surfing. Penguins begin surfing through waves. Sometimes they surf right from the water up onto land. Chinstrap penguin. What do you call a penguin who surfs? Bob, something sharp and pointy like a hook. Coast, where land meets water. Colony, a group of animals live together. Equator, an imaginary line halfway between the North and South poles. Marine mammals have fur and give birth to live young. Unlike other mammals, they spend most of their time in the ocean, webbed, connected by skin. That was the end of this book. So now let's just start the quiz. Can I ace this quiz? I hope I can. Let's begin. What is the equator? Let's see. An imaginary line that divides the North and South Pole. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you can do this yourself by pausing the video and then looking at the answers and questions. And question, and then you can write them down as well, and then like fill in the bubble if you like. Hope you were correct. Then I'm happy. Okay, let's continue. What helps penguins stay warm in the cold sea? Layer of blubber. Correct. What helps penguins keep their mouths from falling, their food in their mouths from falling out? Barbs on their tongues. Correct. That was the last question anyways. Quiz results. 100% I correctly answered 3 out of 3. Nice work, I'm a superstar. Hope you also got it correct, because then you are a superstar as well. So that was the end of this quiz and the book. I also hope you liked the way So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!